In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir on your Honda Accord. Remove the hose. We're going to pull straight up on the tank, just like that. This V right here sits into a bracket that is mounted in the engine bay. We're going to open this bottle. We're going to pour the rest of our coolant into our new reservoir. I'm going to put the cap back on. And then we're going to install the coolant tank into that bracket, push it straight down and in. Should be nice and locked in there, just like that. And then install the coolant hose onto the top. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.